guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's Look Fantastic beauty box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so January 2021 Look Fantastic beauty box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Look Fantastic, for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and see what's inside. I am really liking this light lavenderish color that the box is, and I do always keep my boxes. They're so sturdy and easy for storage or putting anything in to organize crafts or anything. So you do have this nice little purple box, and let's open up it. And here is the pamphlet for this month, and then here is the tissue paper, the sticker, and something is smelling really good in here. I don't know what it is. I'm smelling watermelon for some reason. I don't know, maybe I'm hungry, but that's something in here smells really good. Yeah, something smells amazing, but that's what it looks like when you open it up. So let's go ahead and turn to the page that's gonna go over the items that's inside of this booklet. Now for Look Fantastic, it's gonna go over each item. It will tell you about the item, how to use the item, but there is not retail value for any of the items in this particular box. So let's go ahead and just start. Basically, they're numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4 going on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start with number 1, and I'm gonna find that. Ooh. And it is a Star Skin Nourishing Double Layer Hand Mask Gloves. So they're for your hands. That's cool. So you have a set of gloves to lather up your hands with moisture. And it says remove hand mask from the package and carefully separate the serum infused layers before applying onto cleansed hands. Use the sticky tabs to close the gloves around the wrist and secure fit. Remove after 15 minutes and massage remaining serum into your hands. So that's awesome. I like any type of masks, if they're like the sheet masks, if they're for your hands, your feet, your face, under your eyes, wherever. I just love sheet masks, so I love that. And it says shea butter, something berry, macadamia nut, and olive oil, licorice and peony roots. I wonder if it smells good. I don't smell it. I don't know what I'm smelling yet, but there's that. So number 2, it says SVR, and I'm not quite sure what this is. Let's read about it. What is it? A facial moisturizer, perfect for soothing very dry and sensitive skin. Dermatology proven to keep skin moisturized for up to 24 hours. Hypoallergenic and formulated specifically to treat even the most sensitive types of skin. How to use: massage a coin-size amount into your face and neck in the PM and AM after cleansing and toning. And there is the package. That's a really good size too, especially if you're just using, what did it say, a coin-size amount on your face and neck morning and night. So this will last you a while. That's a 40 ml container. That's nice. So we have that guy to put on after you cleanse and tone, morning and night if you would like. Number 3 is going to be this Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. Overnight mask for your, is that for your hair? Let's see. This says how to use. Run a generous amount through dry hair, making sure you massage into your scalp. As part of your evening routine, place hair in a bun and leave hair mask in overnight. Rinse thoroughly in the morning with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. It says for normal hair, use once a week. For dry and damaged hair, you can use up to 3 times per week. And there's that. I personally am not into the masks, if it's for your face, your hair, for whatever, that you have to rinse off in the morning, especially if you have to then shampoo and conditioner. I take my showers at night. That's like the rule of my household, to get your day washed off of you and get into a clean bed when you're clean. So we always take showers at night before we go to bed. So I wouldn't want to wash my hair again in the morning. So I'll probably just set this aside for one of you guys to try out, but I'm sure it's a really good product. So there's that. Now let's turn the page and get to the other stuff. Okay, so here is this product right here. It says it's a complexion sponge. What is it? An eco-friendly makeup sponge, perfect for applying cream, liquid products all over the skin for a flawless finish. With a pointed tip to reach for those hard to reach areas, such as under your eyes and around your nose. Your sponge should be damp and increase in size. I'm not going to open this because I do not wear liquid foundation, so I'm just going to save this for one of you guys to enjoy. But here's a makeup sponge. That's really cool to get that in this box. Now, number 5, it says, which did you receive? So it looks like it was going to be a variation of different colors with this matte lipstick. I actually received, this is by Sleek Makeup, Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. This is a 6 ml and I got the color French Fancy 037. It looks like it would be a lighter pink color. So it looks like there would have been probably about 4 different colors. A liquid lipstick, intense in pigment with a light texture and matte finish. In your box is one of 4 shades, all with a long-lasting color that doesn't fade or dry out throughout the day. And there is the color. I'm thinking of going and getting a tattoo on the top of this hand to kind of complete this arm. So I'm thinking I have to at least leave one hand open because how are you gonna see my swatches? I'm nervous about that when I finally go to tattoo this one because, you know, but there's that. So there is like a mauvish pinkish color. It is actually a pretty color. It doesn't look too light, but it looks like a really pretty color, and there would have been 4 different shades that they would have sent you at random. So then for number 6 would have been one of 2 different products as well. It would have been between what I received, which is a cleansing bar, avocado and cucumber, which that sounds amazing, or an eye cream. So there's the 2 different variations for product number 6 for this month. So you could have received one of 2, and I received the cleanser, avocado and cucumber. That's what I'm smelling. When I was like, oh, I kind of smell like a melon, I was thinking watermelon, but it's the cucumber that's in here that I'm smelling. That's the culprit. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh wow. It is a hugely different intensified scent inside the box than what I was just smelling on the outside. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. I can't wait to use this. So this right here is a gentle antibacterial cleansing soap to cleanse and purify both your face and body. Infused with calming ingredients, avocado and cucumber, which work to nourish, soften, and awaken your senses. That's awesome. And it smells amazing. So if you guys got this, oh, I hope you're smelling it and loving it just as much as I am. But I have a lot of eye cream, so I'm actually really excited that they sent me this for my variation because this smells amazing. So you guys, a quick recap on this month's box for January. We have an amazing smelling soap bar, which I'm super excited about. We have this product to put on your face morning and night after cleansing and toning for moisture. We have a hair mask to leave on overnight to help your hair and your scalp. We have a complexion sponge, a blending sponge for your face. And then we have a matte lipstick, and I got this color right here. Oh, sorry, and there is this mask. Completely forgot about that, sitting all by itself, minding its own little business. So what did you guys think of this month's box? Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the products of this month. I am actually pleased with it. I think there was some good variation of products in here, and they're all really good size. I did not get one little teeny tiny sample or anything like that. The smallest sample is this. So I'm actually pleased with this month's box, you guys. Let me know what you think. If you want to know a little bit more about LookFantastic, I do have a link down below. If you follow that link and if you buy a 1-year prepaid subscription, that will make your very first box for only $1. Or you can still go and just get a month-to-month if you would like, but that is the special that they're running right now, that you'll get your very first box for $1 if you choose a 12-month prepaid plan. This box is $19 per month. It's free international delivery. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $18. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $17. And if you do 12 months, it brings it to $16 per box, but your first one will be $1. So that is everything that I have to show for this particular box, you guys. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.